Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we have Tablescape Tuesdays and I am so excited. Now Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Any color, any style, any theme. Make sure you're there, guys. So this collaboration is being hosted by the ladies of Elegance, which is Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating my table in my enclosed porch over here, and I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end, guys. Okay, so let me start telling you a little bit about this tablescape. So the tablecloth and that runner you see on the table, I thrifted that at the Salvation Army. And then along the back, you have a little mini lantern that I bought at Walmart. Alongside of that, 2 cylinder vases with candles. Now the floral swag that's along back of the table, that was a thrifted item I got at the Goodwill. And then the centerpiece that you see in the background, that was a DIY. Now the placemats and the charger, I got that from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we're ready to head on over to the reveal, so I'll see you there. Now let's take a look at the dinnerware. So the plate and the salad plate, I got that at the Dollar Tree. And then that maple leaf dessert dish, that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Now let's look at the flatware. So the flatware I purchased at Target and that I got on sale, but the sleeve that it's in, I got at Hobby Lobby. The glassware were thrifted items. They were great buys. I got that at the Salvation Army. Now the cloth napkins were also thrifted. I got that at the Goodwill, and the napkin ring I got at Hobby Lobby. Now this cozy table for 2 I am so in love with. I think it came out gorgeous and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody else put together for Tablescape Tuesdays. I'll see you in the next video.